Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford F150 loose fuel door, updated. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery if you will touch wiring, and gather a screwdriver, trim tool, replacement clips, and light. Start by opening the fuel door and inspecting hinge pins, mounting screws, and plastic clips for wear or breaks. Take pictures for reference, and set fasteners aside in order so reassembly is straightforward and stress-free. Start by opening the fuel door and feeling for play in the hinge and latch area while supporting the door with one hand. Look closely for cracked plastic clips, missing screws, or a bent hinge pin that lets the door sag or pop open. Measure gap symmetry to confirm alignment issues and test the latch engagement by slowly closing the door to hear the catch. Note any damaged pieces to replace during repair. Begin by removing the interior trim panel to reach the hinge screws and plastic clips, using a trim tool to avoid damaging clips. Replace stripped screws, worn hinge pins, or broken clips with new parts, and reseat the latch striker if needed for proper engagement. Reassemble loosely, then adjust hinge and striker alignment until the door closes flush without rubbing. Tighten fasteners, check gaps, and lubricate moving parts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.